Hi, I'm Ed with RIDGID. Today we're going to talk about the K3800 drum machine. The machine has a capacity of 3/4 to 4-inch lines up to 100 feet. You do this by way of various cables that are available optionally for it. You can use 3/8 cable for 1.5 to 3-inch lines up to 100 feet, or 1/2-inch cable for 2 to 4-inch lines up to 90 feet. Also available for it are 1/4-inch or 5/16 cable. The 1/4-inch cable is maximum length of 35 feet, and the 5/16 cable is a maximum length of 50 feet. And you can do 3/4 to 1.5-inch lines with this. This would allow you to do sinks, lavatories, showers, different things like that. Also available as options for this machine are the sink drum, which goes in the same place that the main drum is in now. The cart, which is removable. I'll show you all of this in later videos. And the power feed unit that allows you to advance or retract the cable as you are using the machine.